What's going on, everybody? Ryan and Crystal here. Welcome back. Today we're going to take you down to Lover's Key. We're going to do a little sandbar time there. And then after that, we're going to take you to Junkanoo Below Deck on Fort Myers Beach for a little dock and dine action.
Yeah. This is our first boat day out after Hurricane Helene. So we're curious to see what kind of debris we're going to find in the water today. Our friends that we always meet up north near Cayo Costa, they said they already found a golf cart in the water. You guys gotta keep your eyes peeled, especially, always on the water, but especially after a storm, you just don't know what's going to be in the water. So might be an adventure today, might find all kinds of treasures.
Here we go, guys. Thanks for following along.
Cheers.
Matanzas on the bay. Love that morning light on everything. This looks great. Very peaceful. It's the Pink Shell Resort. They always get some nice boats in there. The owner of that house says it's fine. No need to tear it down. Shockingly, the city disagrees.
I can't believe it's still standing.
I know. That's a Leopard 40 right there. We're going to be on a Fountain Peugeot down in the BVI here in about 4 weeks. We're definitely going to have some videos on that, so definitely stay tuned, guys. Rounding Bowditch Point here. It's all the part of the dredging equipment that they have shut down since Hurricane Helene.
Cruising on the Gulf, sun kissing my skin, got my crew beside me, let the day begin. Waves are gently rocking, music feels so right, sailing towards Lover's Key, everything's inside. Sailing through the water, it's a perfect day, golden shells await us time to play, boating on the Gulf.
She looks like a professional up there.
So far the only thing I've caught is the anchor line.
She caught the anchor line though. Always a good day. Let's watch this cast. Good job. What do we got?
Got a big catfish, maybe it's a sail cat.
Careful. Nice catch.
At least it's something.
Something.
Not my favorite, I was hoping it was a jack, but I'll take it.
Here we go. It's the smallest catfish I've ever seen.
The tiniest catfish ever.
Just a little guy. Good catch. It's still something. Got a stick about 400, 500 yards off the beach. There's definitely some tree debris down there.
Feel the freedom flow, shells and sunshine, oh let the good times grow. From Lover's Key, yeah we just can't hide in this paradise, let the waves be.
All right, we are here on beautiful Lover's Key today.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. The water looks really good close to the beach. We were a little unsure at first on how clear it was going to look coming in, but it looks really
It's
good.
not too bad. Tide's
Looks
coming
really
in,
good.
so the water's clearing up. And we're going to go walk on Lover's Key Beach, see if we can disturb some birds, I guess. I don't know. No, we don't want to disturb the birds. Sorry. Here we go.
Finally found some trash. A flower pot. So just walking the beach, did find some trash. It's nice to find a flower pot that equals a trash can. So cleaning it up, always a big believer in leave it better than how you found it. Gotta say, this beach is gorgeous today. Just so peaceful, not a lot of people out. Just wonderful to hear the waves and the birds. And I gotta say, since our traveling south here today, we really didn't see any debris. I mean, I know it's out there from Hurricane Helene, but we still have not seen
not a whole lot of trash
yet. So we're thankful for that. Thankful we didn't run into anything.
We were gonna pick up a lot of trash today. We kind of anticipated lots of trash in the water. We haven't seen a whole lot, so
No.
which is a great thing. But I know it's out there.
Yeah, for sure.
I've seen it at Salty Sam's, so it's definitely out there. Just keep your eyes on the water and don't hit anything.
Right. Got all kinds of bait fish right here, right at the boat. Probably using it for protection and shade. If we had a cast net, this would be perfect.
Or a husband who can throw a cast net.
Yeah.
Hi, Crystal.
Hi. How are you?
I surprised her. All right, here we are. We found a little bit of treasure on Lover's Key. Some nice shells we might take home and do Lord knows what with. And we also got a bunch of trash, as we always do. Trash and treasures.
The containers we found were very helpful.
Yeah, the buckets we found helped us collect more of each. But there was still a lot out there on the beach. And we'll go from there. It was a great day on Lover's Key, and right after this, we head to Junkanoo's Below Deck on Fort Myers Beach. The Lover's Key portion of this video was getting a little long, so we wanted to break it up into two separate videos, Lover's Key and Junkanoo's Below Deck on Fort Myers Beach. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it, and see you out there on the water. Cheers.